Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you some issues that you have when you are doing SEO, when you are doing search engine optimization for your website. And obviously, if you are doing SEO comes with its own challenges. And one of the challenges that you will be facing when you are doing SEO for your product or for your website is crawled but not indexed. So let me go to one of my websites, this website here. So can you see that this website in the previous website I showed you, as in the last 3 months, as 122,000 impressions, 3,000 clicks. And if I go to pages, you see that this website has 86 pages that are indexed by Google. So can you see it has 68 pages that are indexed by Google. But if you come to this website, although I didn't build them the same year, the other one I just showed you has been in existence. I've built that website, has been online for the past 3 or 4 years. I just built this last year. But one of the challenges this site is facing, and one of the reasons why this site is not performing, is the issue called crawled but not indexed. If you look at this, crawled but not indexed. So when you are doing SEO and you are using your Google Search Console, you need to pay attention to this indexing, where you have pages, where you have videos, pages, where you have site maps and all. Especially this place called pages. You need to pay attention to this result that you have here. So this video, I want to put you through how you can solve crawled but currently not indexed issues on Google Search Console for your website. So what does it mean? Crawled but currently not indexed means the Google bot, Google has gone through your website, but they've crawled your website. That is, Google bot has crawled your website, but Google did not put it on their database. Database means they did not index it. Index means we have put your website on our database. So if for pages on your website that are having these issues, what it literally means is that Google has seen the pages, but they did not put it on their database. So that which means that when people search for it, when people search for that your product, when people search for that your pages, it will not come up in search engine result pages. That is just the meaning. It will not come up because it is not on Google's database. It is not indexed. So how can you solve this issue? How can you solve this issue? A lot of pages, one thing I want you to know is that a lot of pages can be categorized in this section: crawled but currently not indexed. So the first thing you need to do is to click on it. If you look at the sources that Google is getting is not the issue with your website. This issue is with Google. So you need to confirm the source first. So it is saying the source is Google system, right? So what you need to do is to click on it. I want you to know, the first thing you need to point out, you need to know, is that not all pages on your website needs to be on Google's database. So the first thing you need to do is to look at your pages. Look at those pages one by one. Look at these pages. Look at these pages. This is an e-commerce website. Let me show you this website. This is an e-commerce website. So this is an e-commerce website. So I obviously want my product to be on Google search, so that when people search for it, this is an e-commerce website. So I want this product to be listed on Google, and I want it to come up in search. So what should I do? So the first thing first is to look at those pages that are having crawled but currently not indexed. That is, Google has seen them, Google has gone through them, but Google did not put them on on their database. Can you see the last time Google crawled these pages was March 28, 2024. So the first thing is for you to confirm, do I want these pages to be on Google's database? Do I want it? If the answer is yes, then you will do something to it, which I'm going to show you. If the answer is no, you don't want it to be on Google's database, then you ignore and leave it the way it is. Right? So what do you do? So let's go to this page. This page is called, this website, this product is called Forever Freedom. So let's click on it and see it. Can you see Forever Freedom? There's nothing wrong with this website. I don't know. So Google has crawled it. That is to say they have seen it, but it's not on their database. That's the reason why our performances are low. So what you need to do is you need to click on it, click on that page. You will see an option like this, inspect. Click on inspect for you to solve it. You will see this page. This page is not indexed. Pages that are not indexed can't be served on Google. See the details below. So what you need to do is to look at page is not indexed currently on. So you look at the sitemap, your sitemap is okay, referring page. So if you look at crawl, Google bought smartphone, crawl is allowed, crawl allowed, page fetch is successful. So good indexing is allowed. So there's nothing like no index tags on that page. So there's no reason why Google, if there's no index tags on this page, this thing will be no. So there's no reason why Google is not indexing it. So, and if it's taking a while for you, if you look at users declare canonical means originating source. This is the URL that you declared, and this is the URL that we have here. So what you need to do, and this thing is very, very important. If you have this indexing and you see indexing allowed and you see no there, it means there is no index tags, no index tag under your page or under your website. That's the reason why Google is not putting them on their data. Google is not putting the page on their database. That's just the meaning. And if you have no index tag on a page, talk to your developer to remove that no index tag, because no index tag means Google should not index it. Google should not put it on their database. So what you need to do, you should be sure that your users declare canonical tag is the same URL of that page. So what you need to do is to come to this place and click on request indexing. Tell Google to index it, that you want the pages to be indexed. So once you do this, give it a while, give it 7 days, give it 3 days to 7 days, and come back to it. You will see that Google has indexed your pages. It is very, very important. You should not ignore this. Imagine me having 25 pages that are relevant to me and they are not indexed. Can you see URL was added to a priority crawl queue? Submitting a page multiple times will not change its queue position or priority. So that's all. Can you see indexing requested? So you go back there. I have like 25 pages there. You do it for each pages one by one. So let's do this now. Let's do this now for this page. Click on inspect. So you see this. Can you see we have the same issue here? Click on request indexing. So that's how you do. You go back to pages again. You go to the next page. Come here. And do it for the next page that you want. So first thing first, you need to be sure if those pages are relevant to you. If they are relevant, if you come here, you see indexing allowed, yes. If it is yes, crawled allowed, yes. Page fetch is successful. If you see indexing allowed and you see no here, that means there is no index tag on your page, and no index tag on that your page means you've informed Google not to index your website, not to put it on their database. That's the reason why Google is not putting it there. So what you do here again is to request indexing. Do it for each pages that falls under crawled and not indexed. In some cases, you have some pages, I'm going to show you that now. You have some pages that are excluded. They are excluded by no index tag. So those pages, so in some cases, let's go back now. If you come back here, you see excluded by no index tag. These are 7 pages. What is the meaning of no index tag? No index tag means Google, it is an instruction on your page that can be set up by you yourself or your developer that is saying Google should not crawl or index that page on their database. There are so many reasons why you can do that for some pages, and because it is not all your pages that you want, that in most cases you want them to be on Google's database. So the first thing you need to do is to also confirm those pages. Click on it, confirm those pages. Are they, the first question you ask yourself is that, are they relevant to you? Let me look at this. Click on it. Are they relevant to you? So can you see these pages are not relevant? They are not relevant to you. So all you need to do is to ignore. If you click on the second one here, you click on it, it takes you here, you see that you just ignore it because they are not relevant to you. In a case whereby a page on your website is excluded by no index tag, what you need to do, and that page is important to you, you want it to be on Google's database, what you need to do is to give an instruction to your web developer to remove no index tag on your pages. In some cases, you can also use some plugins to do all this if you have a CMS like WordPress or other CMS that you can use to build your website. So let's go back here to, I can see. So if you come to crawled but currently not indexed, you need to validate all those pages one by one. Look at it. I think we've done this. The next one you need to do is this page. If you look at the page, you look at the pages one by one. Are they relevant to me? These are all my e-commerce pages, and I want them to be on Google's results. I want it to be Google search results page. I want them to come up so that people can buy my product. What you need to do is to click on inspect. Once you click on inspect, you look at the pages. Like I said, you need to verify the users declared canonical. Canonical means the originating source of that page that you declared. If it is right, this is the URL, it is right. You see indexing allowed, it said yes. If it is no, it means there's no index tag on that page or that website, and that's the reason why Google is not putting it on that database. Then you remove the no index tag. But in these cases that you have yes and crawled allowed is yes, all you need to do is to request indexing. Do it one by one for all your pages. I believe you've been able to gain value in this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will encourage you to do that right away. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, also share this video with anyone that you feel this video will be valuable to. If you are looking at learning about digital marketing, you are a small business owner, you manage your business by yourself, and you want to learn how you can thrive, you can survive online, thrive online, and make your business successful online, this is the right channel for you to subscribe to, as I upload videos every week on any issues in digital marketing, or any channels of digital marketing like paid advertising, Facebook ads, Google ads, anything you can think of, SEO, how you can build website, how you can gain visibility online. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video.